Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a template that matches your goal. This gives you consistent structure instantly. Next, set and modify styles, heading 1, heading 2, normal, so changes propagate automatically, which saves edits later. Once done, adjust margins, font size, and line spacing globally to match formatting requirements. That prevents manual fixes on each paragraph. By doing these first steps, you reduce rework, make navigation easier, and prepare the document for efficient editing and review. You now build the document layout. Apply styles to generate a table of contents and enable the navigation pane so you move sections quickly. Then insert section breaks for different headers, footers, or page orientations. This keeps formatting isolated and predictable. Use columns and the paragraph dialog for tight spacing control. Meanwhile, turn on track changes and comments during edits, and use find/replace with wildcards for bulk fixes. These steps let you execute complex formatting without breaking the whole document. You wrap up by running spelling and grammar, then reviewing track changes and accepting or rejecting edits so the document is clean. Next, export to PDF and run an accessibility check to ensure headings and alt text are preserved. That prevents issues for recipients. If something goes wrong, say spacing or header shifts, reveal formatting marks and inspect the style definitions. Resetting or reapplying the affected style usually fixes cascading problems. Make sure to save a version copy before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.